Like and subscribe, The Facts Drone.
Jeffrey Epstein case. Here's what unsealed documents reveal: 10 most important updates. Federal court in New York made confidential documents related to Jeffrey Epstein public, including emails, depositions, and legal filings. 10 court documents connected to accused sex trafficker Jeffrey Epstein revealed scandalous details on Wednesday involving names of former U.S. President Bill Clinton and Britain's Prince Andrew, among others. Yesterday, a federal court in New York made confidential documents related to Epstein public. The documents included emails, transcripts of depositions, and legal filings. The latest disclosure is part of a defamation proceeding between Ghislaine Maxwell, Epstein's former mistress, sentenced in 2022 to 20 years in prison, and a plaintiff against the duo, Virginia Giuffre. Maxwell and Epstein were a couple in the early 1990s before becoming professional collaborators and accomplices in sex crimes for almost 3 decades. 9. U.S. District Judge Loretta A. Prescott evaluated the documents and released the record on Wednesday because much of the information was already out in media, TV documentaries, books, and at Maxwell's criminal trial. 8. The court documents contain excerpts of depositions taken of Ghislaine Maxwell, Epstein's former girlfriend, Virginia Giuffre, one of Epstein's most prominent accusers, and Johanna Sjoberg. 7. Epstein accuser Johanna Sjoberg said Prince Andrew put his hand on her breast to pose for a photo with Epstein. 6. Sjoberg testified in a newly released deposition that she once met Michael Jackson at Epstein's Palm Beach, Florida, home, but that nothing untoward happened with him. 5. Apart from Prince Andrew, the unsealed documents also revealed names like Bill Clinton. Sjoberg recalled in her 2016 deposition that Epstein spoke to her about Bill Clinton. For Clinton has been referred to as Doe 36 in the documents. He was photographed with Epstein and admitted to being associated with him in a philanthropic capacity. 3. Another big name that has appeared in the latest document is Jean-Luc Brunel, a French modeling agent. Brunel, close to Epstein, who was awaiting trial on charges that he raped underage girls when he killed himself in a Paris jail in 2022. 2. Epstein, a financier with a powerful network in the United States and abroad, was himself accused of raping young girls, but his suicide by hanging in a New York prison in August 2019 halted his prosecution. 1. While Epstein has been dead for almost 4 years, his crimes have continued to resonate across Wall Street. J.P. Morgan Chase & Co. last year agreed to pay $365 million to settle 2 lawsuits it financially benefited from his sex trafficking and failed to act on red flags. Both cases focused on Epstein's close friendship with Staley, who previously headed private banking for J.P. Morgan.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for daily updates.